The HP Elite X2 1012G1 is a premium 2-in-1 detachable that was designed to bridge the gap between a high-end business laptop and a portable tablet. HP Elite X2 1012G1 features a built-in U-shaped kickstand that can adjust up to 150 degrees for various viewing and typing angles. HP Elite X2 1012G1 utilizes a detachable keyboard system available in two primary official configurations, the travel keyboard and the advanced keyboard. The HP Elite X2 1012G1 is equipped with two main USB ports, one USB Type-C port with Thunderbolt 3 support and one standard USB Type-A, USB 3.0, port. Both ports are located on the right side of the tablet, and the USB-C port serves as the primary connection for charging and docking. HP Elite X2 1012G1 is equipped with a single 3.5mm headphone/microphone combo jack located on the top right edge of the tablet. The HP Elite X2 1012G1 features an integrated dual microphone array designed for business-class video conferencing and voice capture. These microphones are located along the top edge of the tablet and are optimized with Bang & Olufsen audio technology to provide echo cancellation and noise suppression. The HP Elite X2 1012G1 is equipped with internal dual stereo speakers tuned by Bang & Olufsen. The HP Elite X2 1012G1 power button is a multifunction physical switch located on the upper left edge of the tablet, when in landscape mode. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. It is part of an internal audio jack and power button board that can be replaced if it becomes non-responsive. The HP Elite X2 1012G1 includes two external card slots, a MicroSD media reader for storage expansion and an optional microSIM slot for cellular connectivity. Both slots use a tray-based system rather than a simple push-push mechanism. Volume on the HP Elite X2 1012G1 is controlled via a physical rocker on the left edge or through keyboard hotkeys. Display: 12.3-inch, 1920 by 1280, BrightView LED-backlit touchscreen with Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Processor: Intel Core M3, M5, or M7, 6th Gen, Skylake. Graphics: Intel HD Graphics 515 memory, 8GB LPDDR3 RAM storage, 128GB up to 512GB M.2 SATA/PCIe NVMe SSD connectivity, 1x USB Type-C, Thunderbolt 3, 1x USB 3.0, MicroSD slot. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Notable features: premium build. It features a CNC-machined aluminum chassis and a built-in kickstand that can rotate up to 150 degrees, allowing for multiple viewing angles. Serviceability: unlike many modern tablets, the Elite X2 was designed to be easily opened for repairs or SSD upgrades, which is a huge plus for IT maintenance. Security: being an Elite series device, it includes enterprise-grade security like HP Sure Start, BIOS protection, and an optional fingerprint reader. Silent operation: because it uses Intel Core M series processors, the device is fanless. This makes it completely silent, though it is best suited for bursty tasks rather than heavy video editing. Performance: the 6th Gen M processors are great for web browsing and Word documents, but they will struggle with modern, heavy multitasking or high-resolution video processing. Battery life: depending on the health of the original battery, you can expect roughly 5 to 7 hours of real-world use. The keyboard: it usually pairs with the HP Travel keyboard, which is backlit and offers a surprisingly tactile typing experience for a detachable. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.